Hello guys, look, this is a truck that I made like for probe trucks, like that, those trucks. And I'm going to make a probe, like it was first to spin these blocks in the air, then do what I do first, like that, and then like this. In this position, it like that. But don't forget the rigid rope, guys, because it might break once you like create it. And follow what I do, okay? Do this, then a little bit longer. Then if you are lazy, delete this block, click this and click copy. Then go to here, the saves, and copy it like this. And then attach the ropes like I'm doing. There are small gaps, just fix it. Now go to this box icon, get any material. If you want a metal rod, then get this, like cut it like this. Then go to there and like add this gear and this one and the see. Then you have a probe. Now we open and we put the probe and we add to this vehicle disable the damage and we put the probe inside. And you should also add, like, you think the grabber is useless? It's actually not, because if you're having trouble up your builds always opening, you can just simply use it and tie it onto here. Then now it won't open, but the probe, no problem, but it won't work if you don't save it, because if you don't go to the save icon and you save it, and you delete it, it won't appear. So you'll need to go where you want. And this name new category, but it was supposed to be named the dudes, but I have too much interceptors. I made one of my custom, like this guy, Mega Iron. It's just broken, that's why. And now do this, then click on it, then save. Make sure test an item and save it on each category. If that item appears on the wrong category, that means you're putting it on the wrong category. So I'm clicking that. Now I name this like, look, this is how to spell probe. Then truck. Now you save it. And scroll down and double check if it's the same. If it's the same, you can do it. If it looks the same, that means you have done my tutorial right. Now time for testing. Okay, now let me spawn my testing ground. I did it in here comes probe truck. Tornado killer is here. Tornado killer. Probe truck is about to drop the probe. Now probe drops the probe. Probe truck goes away. Bro goes away. The probe is left. Now tornado must deploy. Now tornado killer must deploy. It's the old classic, like the slow deploy. Now, since this, now Bro needs to survive. Okay, that we had now, like, I think I got another way up. Okay, 10. $90, $100, $125, $200, $219, max, MPH. Oh no, tornado killer. Oh no, oh no. Oh no, tornado killer. He did, and the probe is still here now. Now probe truck goes back to pick it up. Now probe truck goes back to pick it up. Now we put it inside. Now they are going to make some money. If you guys love your mother, then subscribe. If you guys want money, scroll. Okay, now probe truck is here. And now probe truck goes away. Probe truck goes away. And tornado killer gets picked up by the truck. they would go away. After this, I'm going to show you this alarm clock that I made, and if you like, that means it's cool, but if you scroll, that means you don't like it. Alarm dog. That's not that. This is Juggernaut, my most largest build ever. This button activates literally everything. And this is a furnace. This is how the furnace works. First, grab an innocent guy, then put him in there. If it doesn't fit, just readjust his posture. Then close it. Then activate the switch. Now you have fried melon. Yeah, you guys have now fried melon. It's real. Now you have some fried melon. Now you go and eat. And first, you need to extinguish them. Then it's munching time. Yay! It's munching time. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. That's how to make fried melon. If you guys don't have mods like I have, because this is a modded version, when I updated it, I suddenly got all of this. And I think I have too many interrupters now. And now we get some testing ground computer. Now, okay guys, it's time by Iowa. Ika, I have pasok at 3:40. Bye guys.